Morning everyone. So today's English class we are going to read and learn about one more combination with I. It is ME. So we are going to frame new words along with this. T plus IME. Top. I'm time. You very well know this word. Time means समय. L plus IME. L. I'm. Sound of L is L. I'm. Lime. Lime is Nivu. CRIME. CR. Crow. What do you have to say? Crow. I'm. Crime. जुर्म. जैसे हम कोई कुछ गलती करते हैं या कोई चोर को पकड़ते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? चोरी करके क्राइम करते हैं. चोरी इज़ अ क्राइम. सो पुलिस क्या करती है? पुलिस कैच हिम. Police catch the thieves because he did a crime. PR plus IME. Prime. Prime. Prime means most important thing. Okay, which we need to do. The most important thing that we call prime. So these are the 4 words which you have to write and learn, and rest we will discuss in our class. Thank you.